Prince, what you doing? Prince, Prince, what you doing? Look, come here. Look, you're on TV, man. Hey, man, 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 I don't even know why I'm doing this, man. I'm out here just, you know, I don't even know what the hell's going on, man. Look here, man. Here's the deal, man. This is, I'm up under my tree. I got a flashlight in my face, you know. I stole this gimmick off a ass clown friend of mine who sent me a cheesy ass promo, man. You know, you see his flashlight, stick it all in the camera and shit. It's funny, man, 'cause that's what I used to do, man. It's great stuff, man. I hope that boy keeps on doing his gimmick, man. It's hilarious, man. But that's what we do, man. We're trying to get out there, man. Just do what we learn, you know. Take our craft that we, learned and use it, man. Soak up. We're biscuits now, so we're gonna soak up some of that gravy, man. But here's the deal, man. This is the world I live in, man, and this is what I'm showing people. But here's part of it, man. When you're out there, man, it's a lonely world, man. You're traveling the roads, and this and that and whatnot. You're doing a lot of driving, and you're by yourself, man. And then next minute you're the rock star. Next minute you're zero. See, the camera's getting funny because I'm trying to find a good spot, and I'm learning as I go. See, this is progress, man. This is the first time I'm doing this, and it's cool, man. And you're experiencing it with me. I look like an idiot, man. It's cool, man. So what, man? But everybody always asks me, man, it's nice out here, man. It's my tree I planted with my kids, man, years ago, man. It was just a dead stick, man. Everybody gave up on it, man. And this dude I knew, his girl found it in the trash, man. And she plucked it out of the trash, man, and said, hey, man, look, this tree, man, wow, man, what's it doing in there? And she picked it up and said, man, I'm going to take you somewhere and give you to a home, man. We know this idiot, man. He has, trees and stuff, whatnot, lizards and snakes, rough fish, everything, bushes, trees, man. And, bushes was always my favorite, man. I don't know, it's just weird, man. For some reason, I love the bush, man. But anyways, you know, that's what happens, So who cares, man? Nobody does, man. But they always ask me about love, man, and it's a lonely world out here, man. Everybody, man, I've had my heart broken, man. Been there, done that, I, I was the bad guy in these relationships, man. That's why it all went sour, man. Because I didn't know how to love, man. And it was a learning process for me, man. And I didn't know what I was doing when I met my kid's mother, man. I was an ape from the street, man. Literally a Neanderthal, man. I was a brute, man, a bruiser, man. Street rat, man. Here I was, man. I had kids, raising and whatnot, all the years, man. I'm a father, man. And, well, whatever, man. But anyways, I was a bad guy in relationships. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. So I learned and learned to learn, man. And then, man, that's why I am like I am, man. So, man, everybody's always like, man, well, first of all, man, I've been, single for like 14 years, man, because of that shit, man. I learned my lesson, man, wow, man. I never got married. I never said, hey, will you marry me? Because I didn't want, any woman to say, hey, yeah, I'll marry you, and then hang that over my head, man, and to get me to do whatever, she wanted, man. I wasn't going to have that crowd, man. I didn't buy into that stuff, man. Because, I'm it's the real deal, man. It's not going to last forever, man. Well, not in my world, man, because times change, man. Things change, people change, man. That's what happens, man. It's progress, man. You learn, you develop, man. You learn from your mistakes, man. You do whatever, man. But man, everybody's always saying it's a lonely world out there for me, guys. I'm telling you, man. It's 14 years, man. People always saying they're trying to hook me up with, everybody, man. This This is a true story, man. Somebody actually tried to hook me up with this Oriental lady that almost tried to kill her last boyfriend, man. He's trying to stab him, man. I was like, man, what the fuck are you trying to get me killed or what, man? What'd I do to you, man? Anyways, that's the world I live in. They hook you up with people like that, that they get you killed. But I ain't having that, man. I'm smarter than that. I've been around the block, man. So I learned these lessons, man. What do you think I just walked into for whatever? Well, anyways. But man, it's a lonely world. Love, man. Wow, man, I'd love to have it, but man, it's just whatever, man. You take it as it comes, man. It comes, and if it don't, so what, man? You keep on trucking, man. That's what you do, man. You don't stand around and you bury yourself somewhere. You get busy, man. Get out there, man. Venture out, man. People always say, I can't find no women. Yeah, you can, man. But quit putting out that vibe, man, that you're such a I was a nerd one time, man. Look, chicks wouldn't even look at me, man. They'd fucking ignore me, man. I had the funniest haircut, everything, man. Picked on everything, man. Lifetime of ass clownness, man. Got me like this, man. You gotta quit giving a shit, man. Treat the women like they're a dime a dozen, guys, and they'll come flocking at you, man. I swear, man. Try it, guys. Man, get rid of that luggage, man. If the old lady took your money and made you broke, so what, man? Get out there and find one that fucking has some money, man, and get her to spend it on you, man. You quit dwelling on that shit, man. Live your life, man. Enjoy yourselves, man. Come here, Prince. And I'm out here in the yard with Prince. He's out there creeping around. He was just in the neighbor's yard. He goes over there and shits and stuff. It's good stuff, man. He shits in our yard, too. He has enough for everybody, man. So he shares, man. That's what I'm talking about. He don't have much, but what he gives, man, he shares, man. And when we go walking, man, he shares with everybody in that freaking neighborhood for 1.5 to 3 miles, man. Shit, man. I swear pit bulls do that, man. But anyways, that's the world I live in, man. I'm not worried about it, man. Maybe I'll find it, maybe I won't. But I'm not going to sit there and wait and see, hey, man, maybe some chick could come knocking on my door. I'm sitting in here feeling sorry for myself, man. Yo, then get out there, man. Buy you some cheap sunglasses like I did, a bandana, grow your hair long, don't shave, take a bath, you want to stay clean, brush your teeth if you have any, man. Some of my friends, they don't have any. So what, man? I know guys that weigh 450 pounds. Man, they get chicks. I know guys that are 120 pounds. They got but 3 Ds, man, and they get all kinds of chicks, man. But, that's not what it's about, man. It's about love, man, and finding that right person, man. That just hasn't happened for me, man. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Who cares, man? If it happens, it happens, man. Love snakes anyways, man. Everybody knows that, man. And they try to buy into that stuff, man. But, man, who came up with the idea, man, you're going to get a girl and keep her by giving her flowers, man? That shit don't work, man. That's cheesy as hell, man. Candy? Come on, man. That don't make you a nice guy, man. You go out and buy a girl some candy, some flowers, romance her and dance her, treat her nice, you dress good, you look good, and you're living a champagne life on a beer budget. Well, she don't know that until she marries you and moves in with you and finds out you're worthless, you're a day-to-day bum, that whatnot. Now you go to work, but you don't make no cheese sticks, man. She's looking for a guy who's got some cheese sticks, man. So guys, if you want a chick, you really want a good one, get one with some cheese sticks, man. Well, somebody's got to earn them things, man. So that's what I did. I go out and earn my cheese sticks, but man, I can't just. Man, you guys feel me, man? There's love out there somewhere, man. It's all weird, man. How much time's left on there, man? I don't know. Who cares, man? But it's all good, man. It's just. Well, anyways, man, me and Prince, man, I got me a good friend here. Oh, come here, friend. Oh, look, man. Come here, Prince. This is Prince, man. Look at Prince, man. This is what we do, man. He lays up here on me. Come here, Prince. Oh, come here, man. Look at Prince, man. I love you, man. This is my boy, man. This is what we do, man. Every night he's out and look at him. Give me a kissy, man. Good day, kiss. Come on. You just give me kiss. That's my boy, man. See, that's what I'm talking about, man. It's simple things in life, man. You know, how much did that cost me, man? You know, and that's gonna last me forever, man. You know, I'll get me a lady, man. We'll hang out under a tree, man. Right now, it's just me and Prince, man. We're not doing nothing. We're just chilling. Maybe some chick could come walking by with a dog, and I'll say, "Hey, what's your name? Huh? You walk down this street often?" Well, anyways, if she did, I would know because I live here, man. Well, anyways, I'm out of here, man. Later, man. God, me, man. No, that's nobody, man.